Hello students, welcome to next computer science class of class 12. In previous class, we have discussed about SQL queries. Today, we also going to discuss about SQL queries after the previous class. Distinct. In a table, some of the columns may contain duplicate values. This is not a problem. However, sometimes we may want to list only the different values in a table. The distinct keyword can be used to return only distinct or different values in a particular column or a whole table. Syntax: select distinct column name from table name. Let's suppose book field is there in book table and there are some values in book field. Among them, some are duplicate. If we want to display unique values from book field, the distinct keyword should be used before book field. It is used to match a value similar to specific pattern in a column using percentage or underscore. The percentage sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters, while percentage sign represents a single character. Syntax: select column name from table name, where column name like condition. Let's take an example. To display the student name that start with letter S, select name from student where name like S percentage. Why percentage is used here? Because we don't know the how many characters are there after S. That's why we have used percentage. Because we know that percentage sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. Next example. To display the student name where name's second character is S, select name from student where name like underscore S percentage. Here underscore is used before S because before S one character is there. That's why underscore sign is used here. We know that underscore sign represents a single character, and after S percentage sign is used here. We don't know how many characters are there after S. That's why percentage sign is used after S. Next, we will discuss about order clause. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set along a specified column. The order by keyword sorts the records in ascending order by default. Means order by clause by default sort the record in ascending order. We can use the DESC keyword for descending order. Syntax: select column name from table, order by column name ASC or DESC. ASC for ascending order, DESC for descending order. But ASC is not mandatory. Let's take an example. Sort the records of student table by marks field in ascending order. Select start from student, order by marks. Here we haven't used ASC keyword because we know that ASC is not mandatory for ascending order. Let's take another example. Sort the records of student table by marks field in descending order. Select start from student, order by marks, DSC. We know that DSC keyword is used to descending order. That's why we have used DSC keyword. But DSC is mandatory for descending order. Next command is update statement. The update statement is used to update existing records in a table. Syntax: update table name. Set column 1 equal to value, column 2 equal to value, comma. In this way, how many columns are required, those will be applied. After set keyword, the column or columns should be used, which column or columns value to be changed. Then where sum column equal to sum value, sum column equal to sum value is a condition which specifies which records to be updated. Let's see the example. Update student set book equal to computer science, where roll equal to 5. Here the value in book field of roll number 5 has been changed. Here roll equal to 5 is condition. The where clause specifies which record or records that should be updated. If we omit the where clause, all records will be updated. Okay student, this is it for today. In next class, we will discuss about aggregate function of SQL. Thank you.